Looking back through those bunch where we're at, and you see that old truck down there? And there's the entrance, and from this end of town, you finally get a little snow-covered peak way out there. So this right here's got the best view in town. Now check out this building and how big this thing is. Not sure what it was, but it's a piano, books. Yeah, you can see some of those. See that piano there? A lot more stuff in there. Oh, there, a replica of a mine. Interesting. Oh, this is a school. Aha.
School?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, those are school desks. And you can see all the books scattered around up here.
Only pupils are missing.
Yeah, exactly. Stove over in the center of the room. The teacher's desk is up there, which we should get a good shot at, yeah, from right here. Hopefully you can see that. Chalkboards over there on the side. It's a map of Europe. Pretty cool. And hopefully you can see those peaks way out through there. Yeah, there's quite a few of them actually from this angle. Alright, so some people did have a mountain view. No saw blade on that building. Here I'm well up above the town. You can see it down there. And pretty nice view, I think, of the town. Right over here is the mine. You can see all that. But the thing to notice here, if you live in that house, you had that mountain view out there. I hope that's coming through in this GoPro. But that, you got a nice mountain view, snow covered, beautiful view. And of course, and again, you're overlooking the entire town. Alright, let's move on and see what else we can see. Also, here's a view that not too many people get of Bodie, because I'm kind of off the beaten path here a little bit. The mine. And some sort of a big structure up there. And right up there on top of that hill is some structures. And of course you can definitely see they did some mining back there. And if you want a mountain view even from here, there you go. Not too shabby, huh? Alright, so we're going to walk down this back way and go see what else we can see. Alright, here we come up on an outhouse. You can check it out and see. It's busted apart right there. But there's where you took care of your main stuff right there. Some kind of a pail. That's a pail that's smashed. And here you are back here, overlooking the town yet again. And the beautiful mountain views from up here are absolutely stunning. And right there's the mine. Alright, let's go see how much of this we can capture. There's the mine. Can't go any further than this. It's only just by guided tour only. So you can't get in to this area on your own. I think this might actually have been the safe to the bank. Read this about this guy. Hopefully you can see all that. And pause it and read it. And over here, just in gratitude, got a bunch of names there. But check this out. Yeah, oh, there's the safe, yeah. See, right there. So this was the safe room, and then the safe that I just showed you. How cool is that? You can see there's a door there. Used to be some walls here. Down there's a little stone building with not too much left. And the building's down that way. And look at these on this hill. As we come around, right there is the... Alright, so continuing on down. We're thinking maybe that was a barber shop. Maybe a cheap way to have a barber pole in that right corner. Over here, I'm sure is the firehouse. You can see the bell up on top of it. And it's shaped like a firehouse for sure. But it's number 17, so I'm sure I can prove that in my book. Over here across from it is a house. And then the neat thing I want to take you up close to is this obvious gas station, service station, I'm sure. You can see we're up to the truck. How neat is that truck and those yellow wheels? Let's take a quick gander inside. Look at that wooden steering wheel. Check out that wheel. And look at these headlamps. It's a 1927 Dodge Graham. Do not climb on, please. Wow. The size of those tires. That is wild. And of course here it is, right at the gas pumps. These old invisible pumps.
Look at the sign.
Very, very tall. For use of motor fuel only, contains lead. And then of course look, this was a shell station apparently. And you can see this is where the the hose would have connected to this one and to that one. That would have been the handle where you would have turned it on to pump out your however much gas that you needed. You see down there some sort of a valve. And then of course on that side over there as well. But anyway, here's the service station itself. Let's see what we can see. Some old radiators. There's some old tires and wheels. Aristo motor oil. Great big gasoline cans. Another Shell gasoline station sign in there. A bunch of oil pumps and stuff. Wow. Very nice. Oh yeah. Here they could weight stuff for you to sell you, I'm sure, flour and sugar and things. Mills Brothers highest grade coffee. Check this out, women's stuff. So, of course, would have held a dress, and there's a hat up there. Check out these old bottles. And then it's easy to dye with diamond dyes. And this is hole-proof hosiery, Paris colors for smart occasions. There's a keg. Wheelbarrow handles looks like. Great big saw, great big mirror. It's got me in it, in fact. Sleds, check that out. Which would have been good here in the wintertime. Grinder. All kinds of cans and boxes. And there's the old cash register over there. Wow. I'd love to go inside of there. Very, very cool. Alright. And then across the street, I'm told, it's a really nice pool table. So there's the building from here. Let's go over and take a look. Check that out. Got not just lions' feet, but lions.
Yeah, and you can get it the other side. From
down
the
there.
other side, you can see it too.
That is cool. And they got a great big table there.
10 on the sides.
Picture. Oh, yeah. Then on the walls, as I'm being told, look. See, trying to get, that's 10. All covered on these walls. Oh, that is 10. Let's see if we can get a better angle. Yeah, there I know you can see it. There's that pool table. There's the pool sticks right there, in fact. And check it out. The walls are all covered with tin, and the ceiling is wood. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I think there you can. All right. Look here. Here's some old snowshoes. Table and chairs and things. If I can get this right up against this. And hopefully you can see that. that there are lions on every corner and all attached in the middle. That thing's got to weigh a couple of tons. It's got to be crazy heavy. But here, hopefully you can get a good view of the 10 in that picture right there on the wall. And then more up there. And then, like I said, the ceiling is wood instead of tin, which is pretty weird. But very nice. Alright, so now I've made it up to the cemetery. I promised I'd bring you here. First guy we run across, John DeChambeau. And this guy lived from 1825 to 1918. He was 93 years old. But right over here next to him, J.M. DeChambeau, born November 6, 1900, and died April 23rd of 1905. So he was 4 years old. So, see this gate here, this fence, pretty cool. You can see this wooden stuff over here. Oh, and there's a little marker right here. 28 Julia, daughter of P.P. and Zoa Garish, born April 11th, 1868, and died March 28th, 1869. Wow, this was a baby, 11 months old.
Yeah, they didn't do too well.
Wow. Being told that this is a pauper's grave. No headstone, no nothing. Wow. And then here's the town. Old Bodie, we can overlook from the cemetery itself. So, pretty nice view. Alright, we'll keep going and I'll show you a few more things in here. But this cemetery stretches way out through there. So we'll check some of it out and then that'll be the end of it. I'll see you on the next one here. Hang on. Alright, so here's the marker for Waterman S. Bodie, the guy who founded this place. But I never actually got to live to see it. So they got a nice picture right there. And if you can read all of this, you read a little bit of his history. Hopefully you can see all that and pause it and read it. So he came in July 20th, 1859. And 4 months later he was dead in a snowstorm, is the gist of it. And then here's another marker they put up. His partner didn't go back for 3 months to get him in the snowstorm that he was trapped in, and all he found was his bones. So they have no clue even where those are. So, pretty sad. Let's keep going. Father Clarence C. Burks, 1897 to 1961. Watchman, 58 to 61. Oh. He watched this place. That's what it was for his last 3 years of his life. So he was around 64 years old, or maybe 63. That's interesting. Here's Lester L. Bell, January 24th, 1888. That's the same year our house was built in Colorado, July 5th, 1950. So he was 62 years old. Our beloved mother, Louise Bell, so they've been married, of course, May 23rd, 1884 to July 19th, 1876. Wow. So she was 4 years older than Lester, and yet she outlived him by 26 years and 14 days. Wow. Robert T. Bell, March 9th, 1914 to January 9th, 2003. I just arrived here from Bodie. I am the last of the old-time miners. Lester F. Bell, U.S. Navy, 1920. Evelyn, beloved daughter of Fannie O. and Albert K. Myers. Born May 1st, 1894. Died April the 5th, 1897. So, didn't even make it 3 years old. Okay, I'm up on the very upper part of the graveyard. A lot of kids died here. From babies all up to 13 years old. And of course, old people, young people. If I took them all, I'd be here all day. Just wanted to show you up here to the very end. This graveyard has a bunch of markers in that one. We'll take a look at that in a moment. That one's fenced off and totally grown over. Up there's definitely a husband and wife. Matteo Petroli and Anna Maria Petroli. Looks like he was born in 1860. And she in 1852 or 62. Or maybe he was born in 50. He might have been born in 1850, died in 1915. She's born probably in 52 as well and died, well, 1915, same thing. Oh wow, yeah, he died February 2nd. And she died June 20th. Wow. Crazy. Here, let's overlook the town one last time up here. Gives you a really good view of it. Of what Bodie looks like. Let's look at this. I'm sure this is going to be a family. Stephen A. Scanovino, 1895 to 1970, 1836 to 1955. 119 years old. Born 1903, died 1921. Wow. Louis Scanovino. Oh, he died in Alabama. 1891 to 1918. So I'd say he died, yeah, U.S. soldier. He died in the war, World War I. 1842 to 1908. 1889 to 1904. Wow. 15 years old. Okay, 2, 4, 6 people in here. Wow. Crazy. Alright, so as I get ready to shut this thing down, see, we'll just look at this. This is like different people. James Gordon, that's Georgia Dolan. Teresa Agnes E. Oh, 1888 and died probably at birth. Teresa, then Agnes E. 1888 to 1919. So she was 30 or 31 years old. The mother. Or no, it had to be the sister. They both born in 1888. Wow. January 1, 1841 and died 1904. And finally, 1890 to 1936 and 1916, 1917. Oh my goodness. So he was born with he was buried with his son. Sad and tragic. Alright, one last look. That's the entrance gate right down there. That's where you come in and pay. There's the overlook of Bodie. What a very nice visit. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I know I have certainly enjoyed making it. I've certainly enjoyed being here. The day has been perfect. The weather's been perfect. So, here, just to make a shot of it, here I am in Bodie. You can see back there behind me. Pretty cool. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I know I have. Probably going to be a 2-parter or more. But anyway, leave me your comments, your thoughts. Tell me what you think. If you've ever been here, tell me what you think. If you want to come here, tell me if this video helped to make you decide that. But either way, I'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourself.